How to set up and install Vizio 5.1 Soundbar. First, position everything. Place the soundbar directly under the TV. Place the subwoofer near a wall and close to a power outlet. The subwoofer communicates wirelessly with the soundbar. Place the rear speakers behind the seating position, left and right side. Most Vizio 5.1 systems require the rear speakers to plug into the subwoofer. Step 2. Connect rear speakers. On the back of the subwoofer, connect the left speaker and the right speaker. Just match the labels. Step 3. Connect soundbar to TV. Best method is using HDMI. Vizio recommends HDMI EARC when available. Step 4. Plug everything into power. Connect power to the soundbar and the subwoofer. The rear speaker receives signal through the subwoofer connection. Step 5. Pair the subwoofer. Many Vizio systems pair automatically. After powering on, wait about 30 seconds for automatic pairing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.